Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to the vlog. So today, this is actually came in yesterday. We got our cleaning supply package, and we also waiting for one more package to get here. But yeah, I organized this trunk like a few days ago. Went to Walmart, got me an organizer, but for some reason it's still a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, I'm gonna probably bring these tools inside. This thing is overflowing, so I'll probably go to Walmart and get one more of these to put the tools in, and yeah, and just organize some more of the cleaning supplies, bring all the wraps in. See, this right here is what we're going to try to attempt to install on the Evo in future videos, but I'm gonna give you guys a future closer look at what we're doing. All right, so this is the diagram that helps. Pretty much this piece and this piece goes into the bumper, in the front bumper itself, so it will go here like that. So there's gonna be a hole where the intake is, so it sucks in more air, and also looks cool. So functional, and it also looks cool. So yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it myself because it involves cutting the bumper. Probably not. Think about it. They have a diagram so you can actually do it yourself. We'll see. We'll see if I'm feeling confident to do it. I really don't want to buy a new bumper. But yeah, let's organize the cleaning supply real quick. I got some more rags inside. Well, not rag, microfiber towels. What's going on here? Detailing spray down here. It looks like I'm running out of room. I might retire this. I'll still use that. Probably retire this. What else we have? What happened to? I thought I had an extra bottle. They might send it to me. So let me open this real quick. So, what are these? Ooh. So I got a 5-gallon thing of waterless wash and some detailing spray and glass cleaner, I think. Get all this. So we got some new detailing spray. So waterless wash. Let me put this right here. Ground real quick. More detailing spray, glass cleaner, and that's it. Sticker. Alright, so that's it. Empty this out. So this is a clay. So this is a clay bar that Squirrel let me use. So empty this out and pour some waterless wash in here. Can't do it with one hand, so I'll show you guys after I'm done. I'm done filling this bottle up, rinse it out. So it's pretty much the same thing that was previously in this bottle. It's empty, so I bought a refill. You save a lot more money if you buy the 5-gallon instead of just the single bottle itself. I bought 2 of these because I really don't use this much, and just one of this. This works pretty dang good on the glass. I mean, I used it at Squirrel's house, and I was like, oh, I need one of these. Glass was super clear. Also, I got in here, this is for the tire shine. When you buy this, it comes with this little pad right here, so you could, do your tires. Wheel cleaners I use once in a while. I don't use too much because they got ceramic coated. I do use these tire cleaners. Funny story is, I actually thought this was a tire shine, so I didn't use the other one. I used this for a while, and then I realized, oh, okay, I'm an idiot. This don't even shine the tire, just cleans it. And then this interior gel to clean the inside. I'll go through probably probably make one video of all the things I use in the car, what I do to clean it, because I do clean my car a lot. Some of you guys probably have better products, but I think Adam was pretty good. I like the smell of it. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but this thing smells really, really good. But yeah, Just clean it in. We're still waiting for one package, which is probably going to be the title of this video. I'm waiting for my Carbontastic steering wheel to get here sometime today, so I can install it into the Evo. Try to install it in Evo at least. But I need to clear this cluster out because we're gonna have to disconnect the battery, which is right over here. So I want to move most of this in the house, especially the tools that we're not going to use. But the cleaner, I want to leave it here. That I'm probably gonna move in the house because I don't need a big refill inside the car. I can refill it at home. So yeah, let's get this a little organized, and we'll wait for the delivery truck to get here. Yeah, okay, let's get a cold start and head to Walmart. Alright peeps, so I went to Walmart, got another one in this box, and yeah, everything looks pretty organized. I was gonna bring this inside, but it's not too bad to have tools in the car, so I think I'm gonna just leave it here. Wrap is gonna be done eventually, so I mean, I still don't have trunk space, but I really don't, you know, really need trunk space really much. I mean, maybe next year if I get air rides, but for now I guess it just stays like this. Cleaning supply is a must, tools a must, new parts, vinyl. Still waiting on the steering wheel. Might be these guys, you know, I don't know. So yeah, until the steering wheels get here, then we'll start pulling some of the stuff out, disconnecting the battery, and then figure out how to put the steering wheel on. And yeah, I guess we'll just wait. I waited all day and it finally got it here. Woo boy, Carbontastic. Yeah boys, we're changing our steering wheel today. Well, I said it earlier, but finally here. So let's open this bad boy and see what it looks like. Oh, I don't have anything to open it with. Guess I'll use my camera. Right, here we go. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh. So good. Got some more stickers. I got like a lot of stickers. I don't even know what to do with it. I don't want to plaster my car with stickers though. Put it right there. What it is. Dear lawyer, customer, blah 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 blah. Thank you. Oh, here we go. First look, guys. I haven't even opened yet. Just took these off. Wow. Jesus. Look at this. Woo. God, it feels so good. Perforated leather with red stitching. Got our logo down here. LAV for lock Autovlog. So nice. Look at this. The detail. Oh my God. This is amazing. Flat bottom. Very nice. Woo. Can't wait to put this on. Disconnect the battery and then figure out how to take the steering wheel off. But woo, one more look. Damn, so nice. So here's the situation. I don't have an impact wrench, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I need an impact wrench, so I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow when I meet up my buddy Tim with the gray Evo, and he has an impact wrench, so he's gonna help me put the steering wheel in. So I have to wait till tomorrow to see it, but for you guys it'll be a quick second. For me, I'll see you tomorrow. All right peeps, so it's the next day. Tim just called me, he got off of work, so we're gonna head over to Tim and try to get this steering wheel installed. Yesterday we couldn't do it because I ran out of tool. Well, I really didn't have the tools to do it. I tried to get it from AutoZone like I did last time, but they didn't want to lend me the impact wrench. So yeah, I'm gonna get this cold start. Oh, there we go. E85. Just waiting for it to warm up. Yeah, we just waited for it to warm up a little bit, then we'll head over Hopefully we get this knocked out. I want the new, can't wait. Just want the new steering wheel on here already. Oh, this thing's not cool compared to the other one. All right, peeps. We're here with Tim. What up, Tim?
Sorry, you're trying to get the music.
It's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the steering wheel out and then Tim's pretty much gonna get to work. See how it gets done. So, battery's disconnected. And we'll watch Tim work his magic. You okay with recording, Tim?
Yep.
Ooh, we got it out. Now we're just gonna unclip it.
Without breaking something.
Oh.
Oh, that's how.
What? Was it a center or is it side?
I'll show you.
Okay. And the other one, there's like a dot in the middle. There he is.
So this right here goes down like that.
Oh, what the? So it's not one of those things you push in.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So if you ever check your steering wheel out, it just goes slide straight down. You don't have to push the middle or the side. It just goes down like that.
Yep.
I think that's like 17.
Yep.
Ooh, boy. It's the sound of magic.
Yeah. So
God, that thing is so powerful.
I was told you just
yank it out. You're supposed to yank it out.
Secure it down. Just like that.
Done, so done.
And what is this one? Another one?
Was it another sensor? Oh no. What is that? Ooh, look at this.
Just like that.
Ooh. Done.
Yeah.
Out with the old, in with the new. Huh? Yeah. No, I'm not gonna sell it. Because with my luck.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps. So what happened is we took the harness out, but we really don't need the harness. It won't attach to that. So we just need to get these buttons off, which is these 3 screws, and bring these wires in there. It also has a ground. We also won't be using this because it won't sit right onto the side of the new steering wheel. So this won't be even plugged in.
I want to take a picture of how this is set up.
Yeah.
So we set it up exactly the same.
For the future? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. We already put the 4 screws back on. Now we just need to take these 3 over here, 3 this side. And
but
actually, we need to take that bottom off.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we need to take the bottom off in order to see this part. Lesson learned. All right, peeps. So what happened was we had to transfer all the stuff from here over here like this. These things was really, it was pretty difficult to take out. There's 3 screws in the back of this. You can't really see it, but it's in here. 1, 2, 3, and from here you got to push in from this side out. So in order to get this, you got to push this black thing hard from the other side out this way to take it out. In order to install this, you have to take this piece off. So when these carbon fiber pieces where the LEV is at, before you put the buttons on. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws just to take that off. All right. Sorry I didn't record it while we were doing it, but we were just trying to figure it out. All the buttons are already in. We're using the back piece of the old one so we could attach this call thing here. You don't have to, but it comes with a car, so I want to put it back on. And then the ground, we put it back where it was. We took this bracket from the old car right here to attach that. So yeah, now we're gonna put this back in, and then put the steering wheel back on the car and see how it works.
That was the easiest part. All right.
Yep. Why do we have so many screws left?
From the other one.
Oh, you're right.
Now we put it back on the car.
try to attach that first black piece in there first. Remember the one that we pulled out?
Yeah.
Yep, that one goes right in that one. Piece. There we go. And now the rest will go in like that. Yep. Nice. This will go in the airbag once we put that screw back on.
What about these two?
These two are going here.
That's right.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, finished product. Ooh, sounds so good. Nice.
What we have to do is get 4 more screws for inside here, bro.
Do we?
Yeah. See this?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's on this side. Yeah. That's why we had so much extra screws.
That holds that in tight. That's why that was loose.
Oh.
This thing has a flashlight on it too, which is cool.
How much you got that for?
Yeah, it's
gotta be like $200.
DeWalt driver.
Probably like $200. DeWalt's always the most expensive ones. Nice. Is that it?
That's it.
Ooh, boy. That looks so good. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, sure does. Let's get the airbag.
So
Hopefully you never
excited.
have to use.
Bro. You know, with my luck, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna jinx myself, but something's gonna. There's two of them. There's a black one too. Right here. This black one. This one goes to the ground, you said.
That's right. I see it now.
Yeah, so with my luck, some deer is gonna hit me hard as hell.
For the second time.
Yep. Second, third time. Second time. That's
Okay.
fine. Nice. There we go.
It was on there pretty hard, so I'm gonna crank it.
Oh. Ooh.
Dang.
Thanks, Tim. Damn, bro, it looks so nice.
We go hook the battery up and we can
Yeah.
make sure that works.
What? I'm gonna go outside because the airbag's gonna fly in my face if I fuck up. Alright, I think that's the end, peeps. We got it on. See if it works and spin around the block, see how it feels. Grab this. And grab some of the bulbs in a minute. Let's put this in the old box. So, yeah. Alright, peeps, so just, it's a little dark. I know you guys can't see it because it's been, hold on, let me put the windows down real quick. But yeah, that's how it is. Got the red mark, LAV, that's how it looks like. I really love the grip. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog. You know, I'll let you guys know how it is. All the button works because the light's on. So yeah, horn works. But yeah, peeps, thanks for tuning into this vlog, and you know, I'll see you next time on the vlog. Peace.